A BESS cabinet consists of four main parts: the energy storage battery, battery management system, energy storage converter, and energy management systems. The energy storage battery is the core component of a BESS, responsible for storing electrical energy. The converter transforms the stored direct current power into alternating current for use by most electrical systems. The BMS manages the charging and discharging process, helping to extend battery lifespan and ensure stable operation. The energy management system monitors and controls the entire energy storage plant, enable optimized operation, improving efficiency and maximize the system's overall value.